Hey there, welcome back to Tips, Tricks, and How-Tos. If you're excited about diving into the world of artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 3 essential tools you need to become an AI content creator. Let's get started. First up, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's incredibly powerful for generating human-like text, which makes it perfect for creating blog posts, scripts, and even chatbots. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to draft a blog post on a complex topic. Just provide a prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed, coherent article. You can also use it to create engaging social media content. Imagine needing a series of tweets about the latest AI trends. ChatGPT can generate a cohesive thread for you in seconds. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to build an interactive chatbot for your website, providing instant, natural-sounding responses to user queries. This can save you hours of writing time and spark new ideas. Next, we have DALL-E. DALL-E is another amazing tool from OpenAI that generates images from text descriptions. Imagine you need unique visuals for your blog or social media posts. With DALL-E, you can simply describe the image you want, like a futuristic cityscape at sunset, and it will create a stunning visual based on your description. You can also use DALL-E to create custom illustrations for your ebooks or presentations. For example, if you're writing a children's book, you can generate whimsical illustrations that perfectly match your narrative. Need a unique logo or branded image for your new project? Just describe it to DALL-E, and you'll get a variety of creative options to choose from. This tool is perfect for creating eye-catching content that stands out. And finally, we have Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that's incredibly user-friendly. It offers a range of templates and tools for creating social media posts, videos, presentations, and more. You can use Canva to design engaging thumbnails for your YouTube videos, or create polished infographics to accompany your blog posts. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to customize your designs, even if you have no prior design experience. Additionally, you can use Canva to create animated social media posts to boost engagement. Imagine creating a dynamic Instagram story with custom animations to promote your latest blog post. Canva also allows you to collaborate with team members in real time, making it a powerful tool for collaborative projects. Plus, with its extensive library of stock photos, icons, and fonts, you can ensure your content looks professional and on-brand every time. So there you have it, ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Canva, 3 essential tools to get you started on your journey as an AI content creator. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.